Okay. This is the screen. Everything is connected besides that cable that we were talking about. This is the the number 3 from the bottom left. I mean, the bottom right. 1, 2, and 3. This is the one I'm connecting now. And you see the screen right there. I'm just focusing on the screen right now. And okay, hold on. I have to right here. Okay, now I'm getting ready to connect it now, and see it just now I can turn it off. Turn it back on. Nothing. I'm turning it off. Disconnecting the cable. Turning it back on. And now the screen comes on. I guess we'll just wait. See, I'm going to show you where I was plugging it. Plugging it right there. I'm gonna let the. It's gonna. I don't know why. I guess maybe because it's Linux. I guess it's working on Linux, and it's. I don't know why it takes so long to boot up. I'm running, my computer is a Linux operating system, so I'm sort of familiar with Linux, and my Linux operating system doesn't take this long to boot up. I'm assuming this is Linux because, as far as I'm concerned, Fluid runs on Linux. Now the wording on that is it's all Chinese or something. I don't know, but it's not American, and that's all it does. It won't turn on to the point where I can factory reset it. It doesn't give me a screen. It did give me at one point. Uh, um, it allowed me to upgrade the firmware because I had did an update on the firmware and it's on my flash drive. But then after that, I took the flash drive out. So I don't know. Maybe that's probably why it's not doing anything. So here. This might. Where's the front? The front. I'm upside down. So the flash drive back in there. I'm turning it back off. And back on. And just to make this video short, when this logo, after a while, it'll go back to the screen that it was showing earlier. There's nothing different about anything. It's not giving me anything. It just goes there. It gives me that screen and nothing else. But let's hold on here for a minute, see what happens after I put that flash drive in. I guess while we wait there, I'm trying to pull the cable out. Okay, this will be the cable. I'm thinking maybe the cable is a ground. Put this back here. Oh, see, that's the screen. So this is the tip. Where is it? This is the tip of that cable. So maybe you can see it better than I can. That being said, I will hopefully not to the next one, but I always say to the next one.